natural gas and propane griddle. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right. 71 inches. A depth, we have 25 inches. And a height with legs, 15.5 inches tall. Without the legs, we have 11 and 7/16. Measurements for the cook area, we have 71 inches in length. A depth of 19 inches. Coming to the left and right will be two areas where the axes and debris will fall onto these drain pans. Drain pans are located on the bottom left and right side below the griddle. The measurements for each drain pan will include 6 and 7/16 in length by 16 and 3/4 inches in depth. Drain pans can be removed and inserted back right beneath the griddle. We have 6 different temperature control gauges. Also included will be your natural gas regulator, along with the propane orifice kit. And coming to the side, we have our NSF certification, along with the gas information for this griddle. And coming to the back will be the black pipe for your gas connection. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product.